Hello everyone, my name is Phillip Lim. I'm the barber here at Downtown, and I'm here today to talk about some of our Aveda holiday sets that we have to offer. This one that I'm holding is the Nutriplenish Light Holiday Collection, and what it includes are a couple of my favorite things that I like to use on guests on a daily basis, so I'm going to walk you through those real quick. First and foremost, one of our more popular items is the Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner. You can use this as a detangler, you can use it as stated, a leave-in conditioner when the hair is kind of towel dry. It just gets you some nice hydration throughout the day. Most of the stuff in here is going to be geared towards adding hydration and moisture to the hair to make it feel healthier throughout the day. Next thing is the combo. It's classic for everyday use, the shampoo and conditioner. These can be used at your leisure when you think that your hair needs just a little bit more care, a little bit more attention. If it's feeling like it's a little bit dry, it helps out a lot during the colder months throughout the year and can be a really helpful addition to your beauty arsenal. And the last thing is this detangler comb that we have that's going to be really helpful just to make sure that your hair is feeling nice and smooth before the start of your day, and there are no knots that are going to be, causing a ruckus for whatever may lay in your path for that day. So that is what is in the Nutriplenish Light Collection for our Aveda holiday set. And with that, happy holidays, and we hope to see you soon.